Hi friends, hello and welcome back to my channel Food and Living, and I'm your friend and host Shweta. So today I'm going to share a very small mini haul of cosmetics that I bought from Sugar Cosmetics, and the products are pretty good and available in sale, and you also get a lot of goodies with the purchase of just about 1000 rupees of product. So I thought, why not share it so that you can also get it and you can also use this and buy good makeup products for yourself. So the first few things that I bought are very basic and essentials, which I always use is a lip balm. So this is a lip balm. It's called Tipsy Lips and in Bramble. This is not sponsored video at all. This is what I purchased for my own money, and I like the product. It smells very good and it is very moisturizing. So this was the first product that I bought from Sugar. I bought it from Sugar website, and there are some discounts and offers on that. And with a purchase of $9.99, you also get a free gift, which I'm going to share in the video. So kindly watch it till the end. Next, I bought, it's a combo. It was available as a combo thing, and there is also a clearance sale going on now. So you can also grab some nice products if you are looking at it. This one also was from clearance sale. That is Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is what I have applied now. It's a brow definer. I kind of like it. It's in brown. And other one is the Kajal. Kajal is very basic for all of us girls. So this is Black Magic Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. So again, very nice. That is what I have applied now. It's looking nice to me. You should tell me how it is in the comment section. And the next is Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade blue. I have not opened it yet, but definitely will try it in my videos sometime. So I do like purple a lot, purple green. So that was a shade I was looking to buy for a long time now. So I have it finally with me. So that is what it is. So buying for these products I paid $9.19, around 1000 rupees. And for that I got this cute pouch free. It's nice, blingy. Can hold some makeup essentials like this, and I got very cute mini lipsticks like this, 4 of them, very pretty. One shade I have applied here, that is, I think it was Aubergine Queen. So this is what I have applied now. I really like this, and it comes in very cute packaging like this, and the formula is also very nice. So this is a very small mini haul from Sugar. I also will leave the link to buy these products in the description box so that you can also check it out. And you can also use my code to get some discounts and definitely shop and have all these pretty makeup products with you if you are willing to buy them. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't delay, go subscribe. It's free and you can watch all my videos. And also don't forget to hit that notification button, the bell button, so that you are notified of all the new videos that I upload. And stay tuned to my channel, and also don't forget to leave your lovely comments and your requests so that I can make new videos for you.